At Unique Computing Solutions, we get it. We understand the importance of seamless communication. Your Microsoft Teams conference room provides you a simple and efficient way to schedule and conduct meetings with you and your peers. Let's start by scheduling a meeting. Jillian here is speaking with a customer who needs to discuss an upcoming project. To ensure a productive conversation, she decides to book the Microsoft Teams conference room. Let's jump on Jillian's laptop to see how she schedules a Microsoft Teams conference room meeting. First, let's open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer and schedule a new meeting. From the chat section inside of Teams, navigate to the calendar on the menu bar to the left. To schedule a new meeting, click on New Meeting. Be sure to include the title of your meeting. For the required attendees, please add those you wish to attend the meeting along with your dedicated Microsoft Teams room email address. Don't forget the date, time, and agenda if required. Click on Send to send the meeting invitation. To schedule a meeting using Microsoft Outlook, open the Microsoft Outlook application. At the top left of the application, click on New Items and select Meeting. Please include the title of the meeting, the required attendees, including the email address of your Microsoft Teams room, the date, time, and any notes you want to include for your attendees to reference. Click on Send to send the meeting invitation. Your Microsoft Teams console will automatically detect the scheduled meeting. After confirming the details, Jillian messages her fellow team members on Microsoft Teams. Now that the meeting is scheduled, it's time to set up the conference room. Your Teams conference room is equipped with a high-definition television, a MaxHub audio-visual system with built-in camera, microphone, and speakers, a Microsoft Teams console, and a dedicated laptop connection to share your computer screen. Let's turn on the television using the remote. Be sure to select the correct HDMI source that you'll be connecting to. Next, connect your laptop using the provided HDMI or USB-C cable. The display should automatically detect the Teams room system. This allows you to share your screen and access meeting content directly from your device. If you will not be sharing your screen, there is no need to connect your laptop to the television. To join the meeting without sharing your computer screen, simply tap the Join button on your Teams console at the time of the meeting. Your camera and microphone will turn on, and the meeting will begin. Now let's jump back on Jillian's laptop. Let's set up your audio source. Be sure to select the room audio source as suggested by Teams. Once selected, you'll be able to select the audio source of your Teams conference room. In this case, our audio source will be First Floor Conference Room. Please select the audio source of your Teams conference room. Once your audio source is selected, click on Join Now. Once your meeting is over, remember to exit the call, power off the television, and disconnect your laptop. This keeps the room ready for the next scheduled meeting. And that's it. Scheduling and using the Microsoft Teams conference room is simple and efficient. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Hit that subscribe button and check out our podcast in the upper right corner of this video for more tips, tricks, and solutions involving all things tech. If you're interested in getting a Microsoft Teams room set up for your business, or if you'd like to build one on your own and are interested in the build sheet necessary to get started, please contact us. I'll put a link in the description box below. Until next time, Tech Champions, keep innovating and stay ahead in the tech game. Unique Computing Solutions. Your IT challenges solved.